Welcome to a quick virtual tour of our factory premises. Our company, Hindustan Abrasives, was set up by our founder, late Shri Shamlal Garg, in the year 2010. His vision was to fill the vacuum in vitrified grinding wheels industry, since there is no big and quality product manufacturer making all types of precision grinding wheels, especially in North India. We manufacture all types of vitrified grinding wheels up to 42-inch diameter and offer you wide range of products like cylindrical, centerless, roll grinding, crankshaft, tool room, cup grinding, segments, and also agro wheels used in rice milling industry, including whitener stones and cones of up to 40-inch diameter. The wheels are manufactured with vitrified bond technology, where wheels are made in hydraulic presses and heated in furnace at 13 degrees Celsius for 7 days. Our plant, located in Sonipat, is well equipped with all types of latest and automatic machines. We take utmost care to ensure safety of wheels and our end users. This is being ensured by testing by means of DEPA test, wherein modulus is checked without damaging the wheels.
We at Hindustan Abrasives produce vitrified grinding wheels and other abrasives for rice mills and other industrial uses, namely automobile parts, roll grinding, glass craft, etc. The USP of Hindustan Abrasives is standardizing the non-standard, as we cater to the customer specific demand in the minimum time frame, giving an edge over our competitors and making the non-standard wheels the standard of Hindustan Abrasives. Lately, we have been exporting our products to many other countries like USA, Peru, Bangladesh, UAE. This is apart from the very strong network of dealers across India.
Our USP is standardization of non-standard wheels by means of quickest and fastest delivery of all types of non-standard wheels and making of bonds which allow very smooth cutting action with 0% burning or chattering marks on the job. Unlike other major manufacturers, we provide our customers with speedy delivery, as we deliver the required product within 1 month without compromising on quality, whereas other manufacturers take 3 long months to deliver it. Apart from manufacturing grinding wheels, our parent company, Hindustan Group, is the second largest manufacturer of rice rubber rolls and rice polishers all over India. At Hindustan Abrasives, each task from manufacturing to packaging is performed with utmost dedication and focus. The sense of satisfaction and achievement we feel every day at Hindustan Abrasives is our greatest reward. We are constantly striving to reach new heights of success and look forward for your support in this journey.